How to change country on Android. It's a very simple and a quick process, so let's get into the video. First thing first, what you want to do is head over to the settings of a device. Once you're inside the settings, search for country or the region. If not, click on the search icon at the top right corner of the screen and then search for country or the region. Scroll all the way down and you'll get to see the option where it says your current country. Head over to it. It will land you on this page. Now tap on your current country. Right here you can see all the list of the countries that are available will be visible to you. From here, select any of the country that you would want to change. For now, let me change it to India. Click on it. And there you can see that the country has been changed successfully. Likewise, you can set it to any of the country that you would want to set, and then you'll be good to go. That's the end of the video, and this was a tutorial video on how to change the country on Android. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. And if you have any queries, you can drop it down in the comment section below. We'll see you in the next one.